So today we read a lot of your comments and we don't want to spit fire, but we are gonna eat the dragon fruit.
You skipped a step. Welcome, first of all. Thank you so much for joining. Oh, but that's a cute intro. We used to do this thing in the car with our hands, like. You played it.
Yeah.
We used to do. Welcome
To another edition of.
Well, we didn't really have an edition of this. This is our first
Spitting fire dragon fruit elimination round. I'm excited.
We thought we'd film this because we have never tried this fruit before. And actually, when we were in Thailand, there was another fruit that we wanted to try called, what was it again? A durian.
Yeah, something like that.
Durian or something like that. We never got to trying it because they actually give you fines if you eat it on your hotel and all sorts of things.
Yeah, it wasn't allowed in the hotel, the resort where we stayed, so
yeah,
we didn't eat it because obviously if something is banned, it feels kind of dodgy, but
yeah.
I do want to taste it still.
Anyways, this is not that, but this is a dragon fruit, and we've never tried dragon fruit before, so we thought we'd maybe try it on camera and just kind of see how it is. What are you expecting it to taste like? I think it will be sweet.
Yeah.
Like when I look at the inside, it almost reminds me of a lychee. I don't know.
I think it would be more than towards a kiwi taste, maybe. I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That. Take it down a notch, so you guys can't like. Let me just like put my camera back a bit more. Sorry, guys. Just put the toys away.
Dracarys.
That's really weird. Yes, dit freak my uit. I feel like there will be a spider in me. Wait, just check quickly.
Hoe gaan ek check? Ek moet hom
Like
sny.
in that hole. Oh my word, it looks like a spider. Wait, ek gaan my broek kas ons weer op uitklim, hè?
Kan nie sien wat dit is nie, man.
Nee, ek sweer.
Nie gesigte trek nie, darling.
Ek sweer ek klik op dit lyk of ons weer op is.
Kom maar gaan check.
Hoekom? I swear if there is a spider in that thing, it's like I think maybe the whole spider situation I had in this room like freaked me out. But like the fruit has like a hole on top and it almost looks like that was where it was hanging. But then when I looked inside that hole, it looked like hairy little legs. Kiwi's cutting it in the kitchen. Why do you have to do with you?
I just brought it with.
Is it not in there? Was there nothing in there?
For you. Hou ek so vas iewers daar?
Well, I'm not gonna... Nia, wat is dit?
Dis net soos 'n put. Relax net bietjie, laat ek sit met 'n mes. Ek kom nog net so
freak
sny.
my uit?
Nee man,
Dit lyk soos 'n spinnekop.
dis nie 'n spinnekop nie. See? Beautiful.
Just show them what it looks like. Let me just zoom in. Like that little hole in there. That looks like spider legs, like hairy spider legs. Let me see.
When this was on, it did, to be quite honest, but now it looks fine to me because this was still
Like,
even
and then it looks like a spider in the hole.
sitting in there, like.
Oh no, that like freaks me out already. Okay, anyways,
Well, don't worry.
I'm glad it's not a spider. Okay, are you gonna cut it? I'm like, I don't want to touch this thing anymore. What does it smell like? It's beautiful color.
Yeah. I
It
don't know
looks
really how
juicy.
to explain what it smells like. It's a fresh smell, obviously, but all fruits smell fresh. But I don't know. I don't know.
No, it doesn't smell like sweet though. Like, you know, like a lemon, I mean an orange and like lychee and kiwi has
It's got like a,
sweet scent.
you know,
It smells
fresh cut grass. It's almost got that smell on it.
Yeah, ew. Okay, are we gonna
Let
try
it-
it?
Yeah, let it.
No, you obviously don't eat the skin.
No,
But do you eat like the pink part? Or
I would
only-
just eat the white. I would just eat the
Okay,
white.
let's take this. I'm gonna. Ooh, it's like super soft. I don't know. I don't like new things. I don't know why I had this idea of trying this. Okay, cheers.
Cheers. It's not bad. It's got like a kiwi texture though.
It tastes like water. With like
Like a
water
sweet
slush
water.
poppy with
Sweet water, but it's nice.
with
And it's
pips
like a
in it.
sweet.
I'm not a fan of it. I don't like it.
Too much pips, but it's nice.
But you know, like I like fruit that is very sweet, like mango and watermelon. And I was expecting this to have a super sweet taste because the burst of color is so great. That you would think, and it looks like a bit juicy, watery sort of, you know, fruit. I thought it would be like juicy and sweet, but it's not sweet. So I think maybe someone with
It is sweet.
it's not
It's
like
not hectic sweet. but
yeah. I think
Spoegpitte hier hele kamer vol, soos ek vir jou lag.
I think like people, you know, some people don't like too sweet things. So I think they will enjoy this.
No, but I think it's still a nice fruit. I like it, but I don't think it's worth.
No, it's definitely not worth the. I mean, for 10 rand more, you can buy a whole watermelon. But we wanted to try it and see how it is, so
I give it a thumbs up.
I don't like it. I want it to be like more sweet, more like a burst of flavor.
Let us know if you ever ate this.
You know what this tastes like? It tastes like the white part of the watermelon.
No, man, it doesn't.
With like pips in it.
Yeah, it's okay. If you ever had this, leave a comment below if you liked it or you don't.
Yeah, let us know if you guys have tried it and what was your first experience with it. Do you enjoy it? And yeah, let us know. Are you on Team Kevin if you enjoy it, or are you on Team Candy if you didn't enjoy it? So yeah, that is us trying this little dragon fruit with its spider hairs inside. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know if there's any other fruits or veggies, something that's weird that we should maybe
Not
try
veggies.
on camera.
Not veggies. Come on.
But yeah, until next time, as always,
Stay sweet.
I'll talk to you soon.
Bye.